Hello kids, Shubhamangalam. Welcome to Little Scholar High School. I am Jayashree ma'am, taking 3rd class. Today's I am taking for 3rd class English grammar. Lesson number 3, nouns. In nouns we are going to discuss about common noun, proper noun and collective nouns. 3 kinds of nouns we are going to discuss today topic. Firstly I am going to tell what is a noun. What is a noun, children? Noun is nothing but name of a person, name of a place and name of an animal and things. Once again, noun means name of a person, place, animal and things. Suppose, here we have lot of example. Before that, I would like to give few more examples for your. Suppose you have a friend. Here one example is given here. Rohan and Rajiv are friends. Rohan and Rajiv are friends. So come on, you can tell me Rohan and Rajiv are friends means what is a noun in this? Rohan and Rajiv are friends. Rohan is noun, Rajiv is noun. Yes, you have to underline Rohan and Rajiv are friends. Underline Rohan and Rajiv. Next, second example. The parrot flew out of the cage. The parrot flew out of the cage. You know what is a parrot? Green color bird which has a red beak. The parrot. Parrot is a noun. Cage is also a noun. So you have to underline parrot as well as cage. Okay children. Next. Third example is my cat drinks milk every day. My cat drinks milk every day. Here noun is cat, milk, day. 3 you have to underline. Cat. You know what is a cat? Most of us have at home. It's a pet animal. Cat, milk and day. So these 3 words you have to underline. Once again I repeat the examples. Rohan and Rajiv are friends. Rohan you have to underline. Rajiv you have to underline. It is a noun. Why I told you underline? Because it is a noun. We are discussing the nouns. The parrot flew out of a cage. The parrot is noun. Cage is also a noun. My cat drinks milk every day. Cat is a noun, milk is a noun and day is a noun. So here I repeat the definition once again. You can see in the book, textbook page number 80. Nouns are the names of the people. Nouns are the names of people, animals, place and things. Nouns are the names of the people, all the naming words. Or you can say all the naming words are called as a noun. People, animals, places and things. Here, a bit, circle the nouns in these sentences. Yes, here we have circle the nouns in these sentences. Mother kept the spoons, dishes and bowls on the shelf. Mother kept the spoons, dishes and bowls on the shelf. So here, what is a noun here? Mother is a noun. Spoons are nouns. Dishes are nouns. Bowls are nouns. Shelf is also noun. Right? Mother is a noun. Spoons I have circled. Circle the nouns. What is the question here? Circle the nouns. Mother is a noun. Spoons are nouns. Dishes are noun. Bowls are noun. Shelf is also a noun. Okay. Once again I repeat. Mother kept the spoons, dishes and bowls on the shelf. Mother, spoons, dishes, bowls and on the shelf. Shelf is also noun. Right? Next. Question number 2. The goat chewed the curtain. The goat chewed the curtain. You know what is a chew? Churning. The goat chewed the curtain. In this, noun is goat. Curtain is also noun. Once again, the goat chewed the curtain. Goat is noun. Curtain is noun. Right? Okay. Third question. The whale is a mighty creature. The whale is a mighty creature. You know what is a creature? Animal. Big animal. The whale. The whale. So here we are going to circle the whale. Creature. We are going to circle. So the whale is a mighty creature. The whale is a mighty means very big, mighty creature. Creature is called creature. Whale, you know whale. It's a very biggest animal on the land. Whale is a mighty creature. So whale is a noun, creature is also a noun. Let us move on to next question. The doctor gave me some medicines. The doctor gave me some medicines. The doctor gave me some medicines. Doctor is a noun. Medicines is also noun. Who is a doctor? When you are sick, when you feel sick, you go to a doctor. You have fever, cold, cough, isn't it? So whenever you feel sick, you have to go to the doctor. Doctor will give us medicines. So doctor, spelling D-O-C-T-O-R, medicines M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E-S, medicines. The doctor gave me some medicines. The doctor is a noun. Medicines are noun. Right, children? Yes. There is a banyan tree near my house. Question number 5. There is a banyan tree near my house. What tree is there? Banyan tree. There is a banyan tree near my house. Noun is banyan tree. Banyan tree is a noun. House is also a noun. You know what is a banyan tree? You find in temples. Most of the big temples you find this banyan tree. All the roots will be towards the ground. Big roots will be towards the ground. Banyan tree. There is a banyan tree near my house. Here they are saying in their house one big banyan tree is there, it seems. That only they are saying. Spelling of banyan is B-A-N-Y-A-N. How you pronounce? Banyan. Banyan tree. House. H-O-U-S-C. House. Next question. 6th question. Pune is a big city. Pune, you should not say. Pune is a big city. Pune is a big city. So here, Pune. This is a noun. And city is also a noun. Pune is a big city. Pune and city both are nouns. Pune is a big city. Pune is a noun and city is a noun. Right? Yes. Next, let us go to 7th question. I like to eat mangoes in summer. What this boy is saying? He likes to eat mangoes in summer. Yes, right? We get in summer season only mangoes, isn't it? So, this boy is saying, I like to eat mangoes in summer. Right. I like to eat mangoes in summer. So here the noun is mangoes. Summer is also a noun because they ask us to circle. That's why I'm not writing noun over there. I'm just there. The question is circle the nouns. So I like to eat mangoes in summer. Mangoes, not one mango, mangoes. There are many mangoes in summer. You know what is the summer? It is a season. We have rainy season, winter season, summer season. Likewise, summer season. Mangoes will grow more in summer. That's why this boy is saying, I like to eat more mangoes in summer. Right. MANGOES, mangoes. SUMMER, summer. Okay. Next is 8th question. Last question in A bit. Shobha, Rajni and Shanta are my friends. Shobha, Rajni and Shanta are my friends. Shobha, Rajni and Shanta are my friends. So here naming, all the naming words. Shobha is name, Rajni is also name and Shanta is also name. They are all friends. Again friends is also you can underline because they all belong to one group of people. People they belong. So friends is also noun. Is it right? Shobha, Rajni and Shanta are my friends. Shobha SHOBHA, Shobha, RAJNI, Rajni, Shanta SHANTA, Shanta, friends FRIENDS, friends. These are all belong to the noun. So write once again, I repeat. Look at here. Circle the nouns in these sentences. Mother kept the spoons, dishes and bowls on the shelf. Mother, spoons, dishes, bowls, shelf. These are all belongs to noun in this sentence. The goat chewed the curtain. In this sentence, goat is a noun, curtain is a noun. Right? Third one. The whale is a mighty creature. Whale and creature are the nouns. Fourth question. The doctor gave me some medicines. Doctor, medicines. Both are nouns. Fifth question. There is a banyan tree near my house. Banyan tree and house. Both are nouns here. Sixth question. Pune is a big city. Pune and city both are nouns. Pune is a big city. Pune and city both are nouns. I like to eat mangoes in summer. I like to eat mangoes in summer. Mangoes and summer both are nouns. Last question. Shobha, Rajni and Shanta are my friends. Shobha, Rajni and Shanta and friends all are nouns in this. Whichever I circle last one is also a noun. Okay children, you understood? What is a noun? Noun means names of people, persons, animals and things. So wherever you find person, things, these four are things. These four are things. Curtain is also a thing. Animal, whale is animal, goat is animal. Person, mother, doctor, banyan tree, medicines, things, house, summer, banyan tree, Pune, city name, Shobha, Rajni, Shanta, these are names. Mangoes, things. Summer is also, that is a place, that is you think it is a season's name of a season, isn't it? Say, so here it is city. City is also a place, isn't it? So these are things comes under the nouns. Okay? Yes children, just now I spoke to you all about the nouns. Name of a person, place, animals and things. Let us discuss about the common noun. So as in the lesson, nouns, we have common noun and proper noun. Let us discuss the common noun here. The common noun means persons, animals, places, things. Common nouns come under the category of persons, animals, places, things. If we talk about any persons, animals, places, things, it is called as a common noun. Commonly, whatever we talk about common is called as a common noun. You have in the page number 19 also, you have definition is there. You can look into your textbook. Just look into your textbook, page number 19. Words that are common names for persons, animals, place and things are called common nouns. Once again I repeat, words that are common names for persons, animals, places and things are called common nouns. Next, you have proper noun. Even proper noun also, you might say teacher has written same thing here also, but it is a difference is there. There is a difference. Proper nouns, person, places, animals, things. But it is only for particular. Proper means particular. Particular person, particular place, particular animal, particular things come under this category as a proper noun. So the words that are, look at the definition, page number 19. Words that are common names for persons, animals, places and things are called common nouns. Once again I repeat, words that are the common names for persons, animals, things are called common noun. In the word itself it is there. Common noun means common. Common names. Common noun means common names. Whereas proper noun means the words that are particular, very particular names of person, place, animals and things are called proper nouns. So under the proper you have particular. For common noun, common. For proper, particular. So that is a difference. So this is the definition, children. Now I am going to give few examples which is there in the textbook. I am a boy. Take out the page number 19. Common and proper noun. I am a boy. My name is Harsha. I love my mother and father. I am a boy. He is telling I am a boy. My name is Harsha. I love my mother and father. The words boy, Harsha, mother and father, these are called as names of people. So these are called the names of a people. So particular names where it will come, it's a common noun. Next, I have a pet cat. Her name is Bella. She is not afraid of the dog. I have a pet cat. Her name is Bella. She is not afraid of the dog. So here what we find? Words cat, Bella, dog. These are the names of the animals. These are the names of the animals. Right. Next is I live in the city of Delhi. I live in the city of Delhi. My school is near my house. My school is near my house. The word city, Delhi, school, house. These are the names of the places. These are the names of the places. So what do you find here? All the names, city, Delhi, school and house. These are the names of the places. Next, I ate 2 bananas for breakfast. I ate 2 bananas for breakfast. I usually have a sandwich and a milkshake. You know what is a sandwich? All of you like sandwich, milkshake early in the morning as a breakfast. The words bananas, breakfast, sandwich and milkshake, these are the names of the things. These are the names of the things. So next, here the words boy, mother, father, cat, dog, city, school, house, bananas, breakfast, sandwich, milkshake. This all comes under common. Common noun, because persons are there, places are there, animals are there, things of same kind. Persons, places, animals, things all belong to the same kind. So it is called as a common noun. So this once again, boy, mother, father, cat, dog, city, school, house, bananas, breakfast, sandwich, milkshake all come under common noun. Whereas particularly Harsha, Bella, Delhi, these are the names of a particular person name, place name. So here it is Bella. It is the name of an animal. So Harsh, Bella and Delhi. This is a particular person's name, place name, animal name. So it is called as a proper noun. Right children? This comes under the proper noun. Once again I repeat here, I just take down here. See, in the common noun, boy, mother, father, cat, dog, city, school, house, banana, breakfast, sandwich and milkshake. Boy, mother, father, cat, dog, city, school, house, banana, breakfast, sandwich, milkshake. B-O-Y boy, M-O-T-H-E-R mother, F-A-T-H-E-R father, C-A-T cat, D-O-G dog, C-I-T-Y city, S-C-H-O-O-L school, H-O-U-S-E house, B-A-N-A-N-A banana, B-R-E-A-K F-A-S-T breakfast, S-A-N-D sand, W-I-C-H which sandwich, M-I-L-K milk, S-H-A-K-E shake. This all comes under one. This is called as a common noun. This all belongs to common noun. Whereas proper noun is Harsha. You can see here. I'll write below Harsha, Bella, Delhi. This three comes under particular person name, place name, animal name. This all comes under proper noun. Once again, common noun, persons, animals, places, things. Common noun is person, animals, places, things. Like boy, mother, father, cat, dog, city, school, house, banana, breakfast, sandwich, milkshake. This all comes under common noun, whereas proper noun is also comes under persons, places, animals and things. But here particularly person name, animal name and place name. So this comes under proper noun. Now we are going to start the B-bit children. In the B-bit, circle the words that are not common nouns. Circle the words that are not common nouns. You know what is a common noun? We have discussed that persons, animals, places, things, this all comes under common noun. In the previous A-bit also, persons, place, animals and things together is called as a common noun. Here the question is, circle the words that are not. See, look at this word, that are not common noun. We have to not underline the common noun, but we have to underline which is not a common noun. So first question here, it's only words are there here. There is no sentence over here. So only words are given here. 4 words are given. First question, bag, bed, biscuit, Maya. Bag, bed, biscuit, Maya. BAG bag, BED bed, BISCUIT biscuit, Maya. So here what is the common noun? What is not a common noun? Common noun is bag is a common noun, bed is a common noun, biscuit is a common noun. But not a common noun is Maya. Maya is not a common noun. Maya is not a common noun. Next, cup, plate, china, spoon. Cup, plate, spoon. These are all common nouns. CUP cup, PLATE plate, CUP cup, PLATE plate, CHINA china, SPOON spoon. Not a common noun. Which is not a common noun? China is not a common noun. China is not a common noun. Next, question number 3. Here we can see some bread, butter, cheese, Amul. Bread, butter, cheese, Amul. BREAD, bread. BUTTER, butter. CHEESE, cheese. AMUL, Amul. Bread, butter, cheese. These are all common nouns. Amul is not a common noun. This is a proper noun. Okay. Next question. Break, chocolate, cake, milk. Yes. This is a bread, children. Actually, this is a bread. This is a bread. BREAD, bread. Bread, chocolate, cake, milk. All are common noun. So, there is not a common noun. Yes, there is no common noun in this. Yes. Next is boy, mouse, Tommy, cat. Boy, Mumbai, girl, man. Boy is a common noun, girl is a common noun, man is a common noun. Boy, girl, man. BOY, boy. MUMBAI, Mumbai. GIRL, girl. MAN, man. Boy, girl, man. All are boy, Mumbai, girl, man. So these are not a common noun. Which is not a common noun in this? Mumbai. Mumbai is not a common noun. Next. Here is dog. Next question, 6th question, dog. Dog, mouse, Tommy, cat. DOG, dog. MOUSE, mouse. TOMMY, Tommy. CAT, cat. So, dog, mouse, Tommy, cat. Tommy is not a common noun. Dog, mouse, cat, these are all common noun. 7th question, Annie, ANNE, Annie, CHAIR, chair, TABLE, table, BOOK, book. Annie, chair, table, book. Annie is not a common noun. Chair, table, book belongs to proper noun. Next, so Annie is not a common noun. It's not a common. Next, 8th question. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Cloud. Ravi. Tree. R-A-I-N. Rain. C-L-O-U-D. Cloud. R-A-V-I. Ravi. T-R-E-E. Tree. Rain. Cloud. Ravi. Tree. So here Ravi is not a common noun. Right, children? Next. 9th question. Garden, park, India, meadow. Garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. P-A-R-K. Park. India. I-N-D-I-A. India. Meadow. M-E-A-D-O-W. Meadow. Among them, which is not a common? India is not a common noun. Right? Next. Last question. Nail. N-A-I-L. Nail. Screw. S-C-R-E-W. Screw. Phillips. P-H-I-L-L-I-P-S. Phillips. H-A-M-M-E-R. Hammer. Nail. Screw. Phillips. Hammer. Phillips is a common noun. Right, children? Once again, I repeat. Listen. We have completed this, but still I would like to repeat. Circle the words that are not common noun. Circle the words which are not common nouns. Actually, it is given in a words, not in a sentences. First is bag, bed, biscuit, Maya. Among them, bag, biscuit, bed. This belong to one group. But Maya is not a common noun. It's not common. Cup. Second question. Cup, plate, china, spoon. Spoon, plate and cup belong to one group. That is proper. But whereas china is not a common noun. Number 3. Bread, butter, cheese. Amul. Bread, butter, cheese comes under one group. Whereas Amul, it's a name of a company. So, this is not a common noun. Bread, chocolate, cake, milk. Bread, chocolate, cake, milk. All come under one milk products. So, there is no common noun in that. 5th one is boy, Mumbai, girl, man. Boy, girl and man are in one group, whereas Mumbai is a name, so it is not a common noun. Dog, mouse, Tommy, cat. Dog, mouse, Tommy, cat. Cat, mouse, dog. This comes under one group, pet animals, whereas Tommy is a name of some animal. So this is not a common noun. Next, 7th one, Annie, chair, table, book. Chair, table, book belongs to one group, whereas Annie is a name, so Annie comes under the common noun. Rain, cloud, Ravi, tree. In this group, rain, cloud, tree all belongs to one group, whereas Ravi is a name of a person. This is not a common noun. Garden, park, India, meadow. Garden, park, meadow is one common. Where we go in the park, you can see garden, park, meadow. It's a place where we can sit and play. But India is the name of a country. So this is not a common noun. Nail, screw, Phillips, hammer. Nail you know, screw you know, hammer, these all iron things which we use in the house purpose. Whereas Phillips is a name of a person. So this is not a common. Is it right, children? This bit we have completed. Just you have to circle, nothing else. Okay? Right. Children, let us start the topic. That is bit number C. Pick out the proper nouns and the common noun in the following sentences. Write P for proper noun and C for common noun. Pick out the proper nouns and the common nouns in the following sentences. Write P for proper noun and C for common noun. I have already explained you what is a proper noun and what is a common noun. Here few examples are given here. First question, Bruno is a big dog. Bruno, B-R-U-N-O. First question is Bruno, B-R-U-N-O. Bruno is a big dog. So what is a Bruno? Bruno is a proper noun. Big dog, dog is a common noun. Bruno is a proper noun. Like this, you write P. I am going to write like this, P, proper noun. Dog is a common noun. You can write like this, children, because proper noun and common noun. So P you have to write for proper, C for common noun. So I have written P, proper noun. Bruno is a proper noun. Dog is a common noun. Okay, children? Yes. Bruno is a big dog. Bruno is a proper noun. Dog is a common noun. Second question. Ali is a 7 years old boy and Meena is an 8 years old girl. So we have here Ali is a proper noun. Boy is a common noun. Girl is a common noun. See. Ali is a proper noun. Ali is a 7 years old boy and Meena, M-E-E-N-A, Meena is an 8 years old girl. 8 years old girl. Here the boy and girl are common noun. Boy and girl is a common noun, whereas Ali is a proper noun, particular person's name. So Ali is a proper noun. Third question. Sudha Chandran is a famous dancer. Sudha Chandran is a famous dancer. Sudha Chandran is a famous dancer. Dancer is a common noun, whereas particular person's name, Sudha Chandran, is a proper noun. Once again, Sudha Chandran is a famous dancer. S-U-D-H-A-C-H-A-N-D-R-A-N. Sudha Chandran is a famous dancer. Dancer is called as a common noun. Sudha Chandran is a proper noun. Right, children? Fourth question. I met my neighbor. I met my neighbor Mala in the market. I met my neighbor Mala in the market. So I met my neighbor. Neighbor is a common noun. Market is a common noun, whereas Mala is a, what it is? Yes, proper noun. Mala is a proper noun. Right, children? I met my neighbor. Neighbor spelling N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R. Neighbor Mala in the market. Mala is a proper noun. Market is a common noun. Neighbor is a common noun. Neighbor and market both are common noun, whereas Mala is a proper noun. Next, fifth question. Ahmed travels to Kolkata very often. Ahmed travels to Kolkata very often. So here Ahmed, proper noun because particular person name. Kolkata is also particular person name. Particular place, proper noun. There is no common noun in this. No common noun. No common noun. No common noun. We don't have any common noun in question number 5. Ahmed travels to Kolkata very often. Ahmad is a proper noun because it is a particular person name. Kolkata is a particular place, proper noun. But we don't find in this sentence statement no common noun. Okay, right. Next, sixth question. The tiger in this cage is called Stirpe. The tiger in this cage is called Stirpe. It's a name. So tiger is a common noun. Cage is also common noun, whereas Stirpe is a proper noun. Yes. Tiger is a common noun, cage is a common noun, Stirpe is a proper noun. Because tiger, it's an animal. Cage is also a common noun. Thing. Stirpe is a proper noun because it belongs to proper, means particular person, particular place, particular thing. Cage is called Stirpe. Next, seventh question is, Sita is playing with her pet parrot. Sita is playing with her pet parrot. She calls it Kara. So here we find Sita is a proper noun because this is a particular person name. Even Kara is a name of a person, particular person name. Whereas parrot is a common noun in this statement. Sita is a proper noun. Kara is a proper noun, whereas parrot is a common noun. So, Sita is playing with her pet parrot. She calls it Kara. Right, children? Sita is a proper noun. Kara is a proper noun, whereas parrot is a common noun in this. And eighth question is, Sudha, Beena, Geeta are close friends. Who are close friends, children? Sudha, Beena and Geeta. Sudha, Sudha, Binda, Beena, Geeta. Geeta. These three are close friends. So here you find Sudha is a proper noun, particular person name. Beena is also particular person name. And Geeta is also particular person name. Are close friends. This is a common. Right, children? Friends are common noun. So, Sudha, Beena and Geeta are close friends. Once again, I repeat this question. Pick out the proper nouns and the common nouns in the following sentences. Write P for proper noun and C for common noun. Right? First question. Bruno is a big dog. Bruno is a big dog. B-R-U-N-O, Bruno is a big dog. Bruno is a particular dog's name. So, it is called proper noun. Whereas dog is a common name. So, it is a common noun. Ali is a, question number 2, Ali is a 7 years old boy and Meena is an 8 years old girl. Ali is proper noun, boy is common noun, girl is a common noun in this statement. Question number 3, Sudha Chandran is a famous dancer. Sudha Chandran is a particular name of a person. So it is called as proper noun. Dancer is a common noun. So yeah, I have written common. Fourth question, I met my neighbor Mala in the market. So neighbor, N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R, neighbor is a common noun. Mala is a proper noun. Market is a common noun. Next, fifth question, Ahmad travels to Kolkata very often. Ahmad travels to Kolkata very often. So Ahmad is called as a proper noun. Kolkata is called proper noun. And there is no common noun in this statement. Right, children? Let us move on to sixth question. The tiger in this cage is called Stirpe. So here the tiger is a common noun. Cage is a common noun. Stirpe is a proper noun. Next, seventh question. Sita is playing with her pet parrot. She calls it Kara. Once again, Sita is playing with her pet parrot, she calls it Kara. So here Sita is a proper noun and Kara is also called proper noun, whereas parrot is a common noun, children. Right? Let us move on to last question in this bit. Sudha, Beena and Geeta are close friends. Sudha, Beena and Geeta are close friends. So Sudha is a proper noun, Veena is a proper noun, Geeta is a proper noun, friends are common noun in this, and hence, so we have discussed what is a proper noun here, what are the common nouns, what are the proper nouns, what is a noun, what is a proper noun, what is a common noun. So with examples I have explained your, right, I think you all understood, children. Children, take down the Sakshi. Yes, all of you have taken down the Sakshi. Homework. Learn and write definitions of noun, common noun, proper noun with 5 examples. You write the definition of noun, proper noun and common noun with 5 examples. Each, for noun you write 5 examples, for common noun you write 5 examples, for proper noun nearby, that is whatever nearby examples you find in your home or wherever you go, or you see outside the balcony, whatever you find, you can write 5 examples of noun, common noun and proper noun. Okay children? Right. Take down this. Once again I'll tell. Sakshi, homework is learn and write definitions of noun, pronoun and common noun with 5 examples. Okay children? Thank you.